Question is differentiate with respect to x the following function. Function given here is 5 raised to x cubed plus 4x minus 5. So let us name this function as y. We say let y be equal to 5 raised to x cubed plus 4x minus 5. Now this is of the form a raised to x, but instead of x we have fx, and we know that derivative of a raised to fx is given by a raised to fx into log a into derivative of fx. So x cubed plus 4x minus 5 is our fx. Now we differentiate with respect to x and we obtain dy by dx is equal to 5 raised to x cubed plus 4x minus 5, so that is a raised to fx, into log 5, that is log a, into derivative of fx, which is x cubed plus 4x minus 5. So proceeding further, we have 5 raised to x cubed plus 4x minus 5 into log 5 into, now here we take derivative of the individual terms. The derivative of x cubed is 3x squared plus 4 times derivative of x is 1 minus 5 is a constant, so its derivative value is 0. So hence our final answer would be, or we could say dy by dx would be 5 raised to x cubed plus 4x minus 5 into, now this bracket is 3x squared plus 4. So into 3x squared plus 4 into, last term is log 5. So this is how you obtain dy by dx.